Hey everyone, so it is Vlogmas day 2. I'm just at Countdown. I need to get a few things. I've heard that the shelves are pretty empty in here, so I'm going to be interested to see what's missing. I need bread and milk and just like your basic essentials. I actually need to go grocery shopping, but I'm not going to do that today. This may be my first Vlogmas of the year because I'm not really sure if I want to upload day 1. I did put a poll on my Instagram. If you're not following me, go follow. It is the Wallaces right there. I do daily stories and I put up a poll asking whether you guys want to see it, and the few people that have voted have said yes. Trust me, when I do these polls, please don't just vote for like the one that you think is not going to hurt my feelings. I actually ask generally because I want to know whether you guys want to see it. It's not going to hurt my feelings if you guys say no. So the supply in there was very low in some places. I filmed a little bit, but not like a lot. Also, how cute is this little glass bottle of hand sanitizer? I got it when I got our dining room suite. They gave it to us for free. It's so cute. Yeah, anyway, I'm off home. I'll kind of show you a little mini grocery haul when I get home. Just thought I'd give you guys a mini haul. So I got some bread, nappies. I've been trying Rascal and Friends, but Countdown does not sell them, so went back to Huggies. Bananas. Carmen has been wanting to try this, and I found this on clearance because they're pretty expensive, and they don't expire till like the 19th of December, so that's good. I got this yogurt for me for breakfast. This doesn't expire for like another week. I got wipes. Sorry, this yogurt is protein yogurt and muesli boysenberry, so that sounds yum. I got milk, just a big bottle because we go through so much milk. Liquid laundry. I just buy the cheap stuff because while liquid laundry seems to be better on your washing machine and it smells better, so yeah, I go for this one. It's like a little apple flavour. And then I just got toilet paper. Indy just sat on my bread, so now it's all squished.
I can use this lickfast.
It is massive.
Even this one's, no, this one's huge. It's got no variegation though.
Yeah, it's a pretty big. I'm just about to clean my car. This is the before. Indy's helping me, and yeah, she's in the front seat. I've just got a basket here so that I can put everything that doesn't belong, because as you can see, there's a lot. She got both your bubbas. Oh. Hey. So I've cleaned out all the stuff. I just need a vacuum now. Yeah, I just done the interior, so that's all clean. The interior of the front as well, so that's clean as well. I still need to do the carpets this summer with the Bissell, but it looks real good. Here, look how zoomed in it is.
Can't you zoom out?
No.
Oh, that's good. It keeps you in the frame. Dude, your camera's really good for filming. Joe, what's up? Zooming window.
That's it.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I don't have a very long arm though.
Put it on the and hold it out like that.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
Yeah. Getting old and wrinkly.
I found Little Miss. Oh, ow, prickles. I found Little Miss under the trampoline in this little paddling pool that has no water in it, playing with all the balls. I feel like she's trying to say 8.
That's real cute.
Oh, that's so cute. Pretty girl. Oh, so I'm just about to make egg and bacon, like tortilla quesadilla. I don't even know what they're called. They're like wraps, but they're yum. This is our grill thing. It's called a sear and grill. It's so good. The other side flips and it's flat, and then there's also a waffle. I just use these tortillas here. You can buy them at Countdown, 15 for $4. And then I lay them out like this. I'm changed because I spilled water on my t-shirt, so it's not a new day. I'm just going to go pick up the kids and my mum because she's gone to her friend. Picked up the kidlets.
I'm going for some straw.
I'm just at the shop. I am going in to get lemonade ice blocks because Indy is just not feeling the greatest. She I think she's got a tummy bug or something because she doesn't have a fever. She's not got a cough or a runny nose. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to get her some lemonade ice blocks just to keep her hydrated, because my biggest worry at the moment is that she's going to get dehydrated, which is never good for someone that little. We're off to rugby prize giving. Arlo has been waiting for this for a few months now. We were supposed to have rugby prize giving, we were supposed to end the season, but he missed out on a few games because of COVID and lockdown, and we haven't been able to do prize giving because of lockdown and COVID and all the restrictions. So they decided to do it tonight, and he's so excited. Are you excited?
Hey, my bed.
Next one goes to someone that played your heart out every single game. Kept determined, scored quite a lot of tries, and showed a lot of team spirit. And that goes to Arlo.
Are you overcated? So we got free pizza, 2 boxes of free pizza. Arlo, are you excited? You happy? Yeah?
Well, I'm excited to do this.
Yeah. You gonna put it in your room?
No. I'm going to wear it all night.
Hey guys, it is currently 10:30 at night and I'm just finishing off my Secret Santa present because I want to send it away tomorrow. I'm hoping that I've done well. Yeah. This is a mask, like a mud mask. I'm just trying to put something on my face because I'm breaking out really badly. It's always been a hormonal area, but like, I don't know, the mask, just wearing masks all the time is making my face break out so much, and I'm hating it. I really struggled with the Instagram Secret Santa that we're doing. We were supposed to go on a trip with the girls last weekend, but because of COVID it never happened. So I've actually never met the person that I'm giving a Secret Santa to, and I'm really excited. But at the same time it's real hard because we've never met. The only kind of reference that we've had is our chat or like the Instagram, and so yeah, I've had to kind of guess. I don't know, it's hard because you just don't know like taste and stuff, but at the same time we did use this website where we were able to write what we liked, and that kind of helped a little bit. I want to repaint this sometime this December, so that'll be cool. I just feel very busy lately. We had Arlo's prize giving and it was so good that finally happened. Because of COVID it kind of just came to a halt, and then so because like it's so hard to explain a pandemic to a child, and then Arlo was like, why am I not doing rugby anymore? And because they never got that closure of prize giving, it was really good, and he got one of the special awards, which meant he should have got a trophy, but because of COVID they weren't able to get a trophy, so they just engraved it on the back of his medal. So he got most team spirit. It's 2:15 in the morning and I just uploaded the Vlogmas day 1, which will be up this morning. I'm gonna go wash this off my face and go to sleep.